I'm about to tell you every single insecurity I had in my old vibrational state. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel as we introduce individuals to spirituality. So, when I say old vibrational state, this is a state of a remembered vibration by people around me. So, my mom, my dad, my brother, they remember these things about me, but those things are no longer part of myself. In basically in this present moment, those things don't exist. And the first two things are related to food and money. So I've always been money conscious. I've always been scared of losing money. I've been insecure about gaining money, getting money, and just knowing what to do with it. And that's completely gone now in this vibrational reality. My body is the second, and probably one of the other bigger things. I always felt a little chubby. I was a little chubby, but even when I got lean, got into a six pack, and started working out, I still felt insecure with my body. And I projected a lot of this insecurity onto other people, making them feel bad about the food they eat, making them feel bad about not working out, making them feel bad about not working out the way I work out. And those are just a few things. When it comes to my body specifically, I am, I should say, my old vibrational state, insecure about my love handles and a little bit of my belly fat. So a little bit down here, I don't know if you can see that very well. The side of my face here, there's a little bald spot that I have. My hands have always been fairly small. One of the things is actually the size of my genitalia. I've been average, but that's something that I've kind of got over. It's, it is what it is. And, I can't change anything about it. Why am I going to feel bad about something I literally can't do anything about? So that's one thing. My head has been slightly, it's not a lot, but like if I went shaved my head, I have kind of like a sloped head, kind of like a sort of egg head. It's not super big, but that's one thing. My vision, I used to really be insecure about my vision and having glasses. Now it's like a fashion statement. I love my glasses. My teeth, my old vibration, I used to be very, very self-conscious of my teeth and having kind of slightly yellower teeth. They've gotten a lot wider. They're still not quite perfect, but hey, that's okay. My feet have been a really big thing. I was always insecure with my feet. I had like some toenail fungus type stuff when I was younger. I played a lot of sports, so it's probably part of it. Just haven't kept up on my foot care very well, and also had very white and pale feet because I wear tube socks basically year round, and that was just an insecurity. What else? What else in my body? Oh, my posture. So I've always had kind of like a sway back where like I've had slightly rounded forward shoulders, and my butt kind of sticks out, and kind of like a Neanderthal type look. So that's been something, insecurity in my previous vibration. Oh boy. There's probably a lot more that I'm missing, but for now that's it.